guys, how are you? This is Ethan.
This is Bonnie. We are from Sunchonglic Power Factory. I think you must stay home now because of the coronavirus. So how should we do to prevent the virus? In my opinion, it is important to wear your face mask when you go out and avoid going to places where are crowded. Remember to wash your hands frequently and keep the environment clean. And do not use your hands to touch your mouth and eyes. And if you need help, please contact us. We are always your friends more than business. Now the situation is getting better. Thanks to everyone for your efforts and support. And I believe that we will soon return to normal life. So please don't let your guard down. Pay more attention to the virus prevention.
Our factory is a manufacturer of power board, mainly include induction cooker power board, air conditioner power board, refrigerator power board, washing machine power board, microwave oven power board, with well-equipped testing facility and strong technical force. With a wide range, good quality, reasonable prices, and stylish designs. Our products are extensively used in home appliance accessories.
With the development of technology, our life is becoming more and more convenient. If we say the use of air conditioner makes us feel more comfortable in summer or winter, then the use of washing machine reduces our unnecessary workload. So today, let us learn the important part of washing machine, computer board.
Yes, Sunchonglic Power Factory that has been focusing on the production of household appliances for many years. The washing machine computer board is also one of our main products. Different washing machine models are equipped with different computer boards, but what we are going to introduce to you today is the Universal Washing Machine Computer Board SCL-2200. And now Bonnie will introduce some features of it.
This Ultra washing machine universal board is used in fully automatic washing machines. It has the following characteristics: equipped with original chips, and it is good for stability and resisting interference. Broker controller, no need power switch. There are two options for drainage output DC and AC. It equipped with the suitable pressure switch for water level, ensure the water level is correct. It has the washing, rinsing, spinning functions, and so on. There are some things we need to pay attention to before replacing the computer board.
Number 1. Confirm the drainage system is DC or AC. There are two kinds of computer board output. We must replace the computer board as the following situation. Inlet value resistance to be smaller than 4K ohms and drainage value resistance smaller than 10K ohm. Otherwise, it will blow up the computer board seriously. Then we will refuse to maintain if the board is burned by human behavior. Number 2. After replace water level sensor, if the barrel has water in storage, you have to choose the computer board function to drain the water on time so that the water level frequency and the computer board are synchronized. Otherwise, it will enter water storage for a long time or the water level is not normal. Number 3. The water level control switch will ensure that it is a water level sensor with 3 terminal pins and the frequency should match the frequency of the computer board. Our factory will provide one sensor with the computer controller board.
Okay, the water level frequency sensor must be accurate. Both low and high level will cause problems, such as only washing and not drying clothes, filling water for a long time, or inaccurate water level. If after draining water, it cannot dry clothes, not following procedure, and having alarm sound, you should check the cover switch, not cable go out, or poor connection. When the washing machine is driving, if the impeller rotates and the outer barrel does not rotate, please reverse connecting lamps.
Number 7. The washing motor must have a starting capacitor, otherwise the computer board will be burned out if the motor cannot work for a long time. Number 8. If the washing machine has a hand rubbing function, please connect the hand rubbing control line to the AC draining value terminal. Otherwise, it will cause problem of normal dehydration. And number 9, please ask a qualified electrical repairer when refitting.
Okay, let's take a look at the wiring diagram of the computer board. As we can see the sample, there are 5 terminals on the computer board. These 3 are connecting to the water level sensor. Yes, it's this one. And the middle one is connecting to the middle of water level sensor. And on this line, this one is phase line. This is a reverse, forward, water intake valve, AC valve, and last 2 are N output and N input.
Besides, as we can see, there are low, middle, and high LED display on the computer board, and we can analyze different fault categories by the status of LED display. When the process light here free and different water level lights are on at the same time, more specific instructions are detailed on the box here. And now we are going to show you a video of the installation of the board.
In addition to this one, we also have another type computer board, SCL-3200. It is also used for automatic washing machine, and it has more functions such as soaking, washing, rinsing, spinning, and so on. What's more, it comes with touchpad and display. Hey, listen, could I ask you some questions about the failure of computer board?
Sure.
Okay, other procedures are normal, but dehydration cannot work. And when the drainage is completed or started, the alarm is displayed. What is the reason for that?
That is, the door switch is broken, or the balance switch of the bucket is broken.
If other procedures are normal but cannot dehydrate, after the drainage is finished, wait for about 4 minutes to give an alarm or not. What is the fault?
It is possibly due to water level switch failure, and just replace the water level sensor.
Okay, last questions. What is the cause of the fall code as soon as it starts?
Usually, it is the problem of the water level switch. Replace the water level switch and check whether the connecting wire is in poor contact. If it still cannot be used, replace the computer board.
That's all for today live. If you have any other questions or interests, you can contact us at any time and we will answer your questions online.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.